Hi everyone, it's Christina. I just want to show you, this is the blank that I posted in the group yesterday, in the Facebook group, and I left it just with the one side showing as a little surprise. This is something I had made for our group. It wasn't available for sublimation before. So this is PU leather. It comes with a adjustable strap. That's also PU leather. One person in the group guessed that this is for a pencil, and they're correct. But this is what you didn't see. It's a golf tee holder that you can attach to the golf cart. For me personally, I like functional products. So this is why I was really excited about this one, because this is a great Father's Day gift. I think you're going to love it. So we're going to do a little demo. We have designs already done. So I did up a few. This is how the blank comes. It is raised a little bit here where the pegs go in, or the T's go in. But all we have to do is slide a piece of paper in there. I'm using butcher paper. Okay, that prevents anything from like sticking together. Then we're going to press it on a soft pad. So I'm just using my Nomex felt pad. I use it for almost everything because I have it. But we have the gray layered pressing pads that are in our shop, and they will work just as well. Or if you have any kind of a felt pad, it just has to have some cushion so that this raised part will sink in and you'll get a flat press. So just wanting to let you know about that. It's very important. Okay, so just gonna put a piece of butcher paper down and grab my scissors and my heat tape. Okay, I've created these designs with a template that I made. It allows a little bit of a bleed area, so it's very easy to line up. And with that, you just don't want to put your text or images, or like say you have a photo, you don't want to put that too close to the edges to cut off parts. This kind of a design is perfect. Okay, so we're pressing this with our new sublimation paper, and this stuff is so awesome. You're going to see when I'm done here. Okay, so I'm just going to fold that paper over so it doesn't get in my way. You can see here that the design has a bit of a bleed. I'm just going to tape the paper right to the transfer. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to wrap some heat tape around this piece of elastic because we don't want it to melt. And I've had experience before where it's just not as nice after it's been pressed. So I want to make sure that it's protected. So all I do, sorry, there you go, is I just put the heat tape there, and then I wrap it around. I probably should have done this step before I taped the transfer on, but you can make it work. Okay, and then I'm just going to put one little piece over the end of it, like so. Okay, so we have our heat press set at 365 for it says it'll say on the website 45 to 50 seconds. So we're gonna do 47 seconds. Okay. Okay, with this, I'm just gonna grab a smaller paper here. Okay, because it's a small blank, I'm just going to fold it over. And put your paper. Like so. We're going to press this at medium pressure just so that it will sink into the pad a little bit. And here we go. I love this sliding drawer. Okay, so there we go. Okay, and there's our 5-second warning. So, okay, here we go. Let's see how this looks. Okay, I guess I don't need heat gloves for this one. I'm just going to take a peek here at the end. Perfect. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. I made some funny ones. So I'm just going to take this out. And for the tape, it just pops right off. Like I said, that was just to protect it so that it's still elastic. That is awesome. And as soon as it cools a tiny bit, I'm going to show you how to assemble it. There's the adjustable strap. You want to make sure that this part, the cut part, is on the inside. So we just feed that through. And do it up. Oop. There goes Etsy. Okay, and then for the golf tees, we just lift this up a little bit, and they just feed through the 2 holes like so. Like that. And now you have an awesome Father's Day gift. So I hope you all like this this demonstration, and I hope you all like these blanks because they are really, really nice. I think they'll be a big hit. I'll post some pictures in our group, and if you would like to use them to advertise in your group, then please let me know. Yeah, and we'll talk to you all soon. Thanks for watching.